much money do you need to live comfortably in the province monthly? How much is your college tuition? How about foreigners that want to live a Western lifestyle here in the province? How much money do you think they need a month or monthly to live a comfortable life here? How much money do you need to live comfortably in the province monthly?
I think it's 15K.
Okay. What is that? You alone or with family members?
No, with family members. I mean, 6 members.
Six family members. Okay. 15,000 Philippine pesos monthly for six family members in 1 month.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next, how about foreigners that want to live a Western lifestyle here in the province? How much money do you think they need monthly to live a comfortable life here?
I can assure it's 50K.
50,000 Philippine pesos
Yeah.
a month.
Yes.
Do you think they can also go like eat every time in the restaurant, have fun, like go to bars or any, they can go anywhere they want with 50,000 a month?
Yes, exactly.
How much is your monthly rent here in the province? You're a student, right?
Yes po.
Are you renting?
No.
Oh, you're living with your family.
Yes.
Okay.
I have own house in San Rafael po. I with my family. There's not renting in this. Yeah.
Oh, you mean your family is not renting? You
Yes
own
po.
the house.
Yes.
Okay. Your parents own the house.
Yes po.
Oh, that's good. So yeah, you can save a lot of money because you're not you're not renting, right?
Yes po.
Yeah. Okay. So you just have bills like that, like for example, electric, like food or water, like those, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they're not renting. How much money do you need to live comfortably in the province monthly?
Maybe 30,000.
30,000 Philippine pesos a month.
Yes.
What is that? You living alone or with family?
Alone or
Alone.
with with wants and needs.
One
With wants and needs po yung 30.
with wants and needs. Like you can afford to have what you want and what's your needs, like that.
Yes po.
Okay. With 30,000 Philippine pesos a month living alone, can you go to like restaurants or eat in fast food chain, like for example Jollibee, McDonald's, like that?
Yes, it's already enough po, I think.
How many times in a month do you think?
Maybe thrice a week po. Mga thrice a week.
Thrice a week. Okay, well,
Mistaken po.
it's okay.
Just my estimate po.
Is that how much your what do you call this? Your is that your monthly budget alone?
I'm student po.
Yeah.
Hindi pa po ganun.
How much is your monthly budget as a student?
Monthly budget, maybe 5.
5,000. What is that? Just food?
Yes, but I'm currently living in a boarding house po. So, yung all things that I need po, it's already there po sa 5,000.
Oh, 5,000 Philippine pesos a month as a student monthly. Okay. With that's your food allowance or just your allowance for school, like every day?
For everyday na po.
How can you survive? Oh my god,
I
5,000.
can cook po
You can you cook. Do you eat outside, like for example restaurants with 5,000 pesos?
with sometimes po, like now,
Oh, right now, yeah, she's having drinks. Okay, so how many times a month you can afford to go outside in a restaurant with 5,000 pesos
just twice or thrice lang only.
a month?
Yes.
Okay. Well, how much is your boarding house monthly?
The room is 1.5, but the utilities are ano po, is depende po.
It depends. Okay. Like the water, electric bill, like those.
Yes po.
Do you also use like internet
Yes, the Wi-Fi po, it's already ano po, 50 pesos po.
a month?
Yes po.
That's very cheap. I have to see your boarding house.
Oh.
Like, give us a tour.
Some maybe ano, some other
Oh, we're gonna be so blessed. Oh, definitely. Thank you. Okay. Okay. How about foreigners that want to live a Western lifestyle here in the province? How much money do you think they need a month or monthly to live a comfortable life here?
maybe ano, around 70 to 100,000 if that's what they
70 to 100,000 Philippine pesos. What can they do with those amount of money or with that amount of money?
like ano po, visit to ano, tourist spots po and eat outside like restaurant like that po.
And they can also eat in a very fancy restaurants, right? Not just like a food chain,
Yes.
fast food chain. They can
Yes.
really go to, fancier restaurants.
Yes po.
Do we have fancy restaurants here in Goa?
I don't think so. Maybe in Naga.
In Naga, yes. How many hours away? How many hours is Naga from Goa?
I think 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, 2 hours away from Naga City. Okay, that's the city here in Partido, right? Naga. Partido Camarines Sur. Yes, Naga City. Beautiful city. Okay, now the next question is how much is your college tuition?
It's free. I'm currently studying in a state university po. So I have no tuition.
You have no. I interviewed someone and she said that she passed the board exam, something like about exam, and she doesn't have to pay tuition fee. What is that? From PSU, she's from PSU as well.
I have no idea po. Ano, some other student po are an scholar in ano po, DOST, pero but the ano po, the university is ano po, free po talaga
Free. Beautiful. And what year are you now?
po.
What year are you now? Anong year ka na?
Fourth year po,
Graduating. Oh my god. Congratulations in advance. What is your course?
financial management po.
Ah, really? Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Po?
How long have you been single?
2 years. 2 years.
2 years. What are you looking for a guy?
Um, decent mindset and provider po.
How much money do you need to live comfortably in the province monthly?
So I think we would spend around 15 to 20,000 a month.
A month.
Yes.
You and your family, right?
Yes po.
How many family members?
As of now, we are only 5 members at our household, and our mother po is an OFW.
Overseas Filipino worker, her mama. Okay, how about if it's just you living alone? Can you guess how much you need monthly to live comfortably?
I think I need to spend like 10,000, 7,000 to 10,000 po. It depends on the rent, if mag-rent in boarding house or apartment po.
Okay, it depends too if she is going to rent. Okay, so you mentioned about 25,000, right? 25 to 30, right?
30,000 to 25.
Okay, 20 to 25,000 a month. Do you go to restaurants? Do you eat like for example Jollibee, like that fast food Jollibee, McDonald's? Do you eat there like, you know?
Sometimes I think once a month or twice a month only.
Okay. With that amount of money.
No, from my allowance. I save money from my allowance only. Yes.
Smart. Smart. Okay, I like that. How much is your monthly rent? Oh, you don't, right? Because you're living with your family.
Yes, I'm living with my family po.
Okay. Do you own the house?
We own the house but not the lot.
Oh, are you renting?
No.
No.
it's free. It's for the meantime. We are like the caretaker of the lot po.
Oh, the owner of the lot must be very kind, right?
Yes po.
Very kind. And you're blessed. Your family is so blessed.
Yes. We already have a lot naman po, but still preparation for the papers.
Okay, that's good. That's good to hear. Um, what do you call these? How much is your college tuition?
We actually we don't pay our tuition because it's free. I think it has something to do with like passing the board exam po. So we don't need to pay for our tuition.
Oh, that's only for those who pass the exam, right?
I think
What if they don't pass the exam? Do they have to pay tuition fee?
I think so.
How much is it? Like, do you know? Do you have any idea how much they pay monthly?
Actually, it depends on the subjects and the units. So it does not have exact amount. It doesn't.
Are you single or in a relationship?
No,
No
I'm
boyfriend?
single. I'm single.
How long have you been single?
No,
Since birth?
it's private.
Oh, it's private.
Yes.
So you had a boyfriend before?
No.
Also, NBSB. No boyfriend since birth. Oh, okay. Okay, no, but anyway, but thank you so much for having this interview with us. Salama. Thank you so much. She's very shy. Actually, she doesn't want to do the interview because she said, Ate, I can't, I'm shy. And I was like, you're good. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflection